after a bath. Come in, Bull. Come here. Come this way. This is Bolt after his bath. He doesn't really like a bath. So he's knocking everything over and trying to get warm. Look, I've made the other room warm for you. Look, come and see the heater. The heater is on for you. Stay here. Stay, Bolt, and get warm. Look, the heater is on for you so you can get warm. Bolt has just had his bath, and he, like most cats, doesn't like a bath. So here he is trying to dry out and making all sorts of sounds. Eh, Bolt? Bolt? This is Bolt's room. And all his cat stuff is everywhere. This is his food. He's an African cat. He had some Gary with me. I was drinking Gary and he wanted some. That's cheese. Granddad Sam says you like cheese. So I gave him some cheese, and now he's had his first bath here. Don't know if Sam's given you a bath before, but he definitely doesn't like a bath. This is the old TV room. There's no TV that's like this anymore. They're all flat now. This is an old TV set, and this Bolt's lair and his dining table. Isn't it, Bolt? There you go. He always wants to go through this window. I've put some of his food here because he likes to sit on this ledge. There you go. You're going on the ledge again, aren't you? Going on the window ledge. I made him a little plaything here. He likes to pull on that string. He's got other toys, but he keeps kicking them about. That's his little carrier. And there you go. He's trying to eat now. Oh my. You're wild as they come, aren't you? Wild cat. And this is the food that Sam says is not good for you, but you like it. Grandpa Sam says, I buy him anything that have cat on it. If it have cat on it, me buy it. I said this thing was a little bit loose on you. Actually, I thought it was too tight, but now it's too loose. Bolt, look this way. I'll start a new one.